In this video, we'll look at the Secure Web Browser Domain Allow List security policy. This can be approached in two ways, either outright blocking access to any application not authorized by the policy, or notifying the users but allowing them the choice to continue. If we have the setting set to warn the user, when they access the restricted site, a warning message will display, giving the user the choice to proceed anyway. Simultaneously, a push notification is sent to alert IT that an attempt to access the web app has occurred, despite the warning. The list of warnings received is visible in the Secure Web Sessions and Activities Secure Browser window. The number of warnings received along with their timestamp appears in the list. When the security policy is updated to block access to unauthorized web applications, the policy becomes active immediately. Accessing a blocked app, the user will now see an alert that the web page is blocked, without the option to proceed. Secure Browser offers more than 100 policies that can be implemented. To view other browser security policies, select Best Practices from the Security drop-down list. The list of best practice policies is displayed. This is where you can restrict access to the password manager. For more information, check out our online resources.